This is Elizabeth, and welcome back to GrowthWheel Online. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can very quickly add the most important financial information about your business, so you can easily share it with your business advisors and any others who need it. Click on Financial Overview, and you'll see that you are automatically taken to the Revenue submenu. Let's begin here by clicking on the green plus year. We'll add the year 2020. From here, we can add in our quarterly revenue and export revenue. To add data for 2019, click on the green plus year and type in or select 2019. You'll notice that the graphs automatically populate with our data from the last 5 quarters and last 3 years. Next, let's click on Profit, and again, click on the green plus year button to add 2020 and 2019. We can easily add our gross profit, our operating profit, and our net profit. Gross profit is your total revenue minus only those expenses directly related to the production of goods for sale, called the cost of goods sold. Operating profit reflects the residual income that remains after all the costs of doing business, such as your fixed cost expenses. Net profit is the bottom line and shows the revenue that is left after all debt, expenses, and taxes have been paid. The graphs will auto-populate, and we can see our margins on the right side of the screen as well. Now let's click on Cost Structure. Just to the left of the blue Download button, it will show the current year. By clicking on the calendar and year, we can change it to previous years if we want. Click on the green plus Direct Costs and select a category for the cost of goods or services sold. For our company's example, we'll choose Direct Labor, but you can choose any of these that make sense for your business. If you have any questions, reach out to your GrowthWheel certified advisor and they can help you select the correct categories. You can also add in your overhead or fixed costs, such as personnel, facilities or rent, travel, and others. Continue to fill out your financial information, including on the balance sheet. Add in the cash in the bank or any accounts receivable you may have outstanding from your customers. Here you will see that the assets and liabilities will always match. You just need to assign the liabilities to the proper categories. If you want, just focus on the big numbers, as the rest can always be found in your accounting system. Next, click on Ratios. You'll see that the ratios are automatically calculated based on the numbers we've already entered. If you want to learn about a ratio, click on the encircled I for more information. You can set minimum and ideal targets for your various ratios. Consult with your GrowthWheel certified advisor for more guidance on your target numbers. Next, click on Funds Received, where you can show what debt or funding you have taken on or want to receive. Here we will add a loan we received in 2020. You can specify what the funds were spent on. This will give your advisor an overview of your funding situation and perhaps the funds you need. Finally, click on Employees and quickly type with just a few numbers the number of full-time, part-time, temporary, or seasonal employees working in your business. As you type, the charts will auto-populate. Now that all of the information is in, let's click on the blue Download button. We can select just the page we are on or the full financial overview. Let's do that. Be sure to select which pages you want to show on your financial overview document. Here you can see we have a PDF of our business's financial overview, including the company's revenue, profits, cost structure, balance sheet, ratios, funds received, and employee count. This PDF can be shown to a lender, investor, or to your GrowthWheel certified advisor, or it can be used as part of a pitch deck to show the financial overview of your company in a quick and visual way. In the next video, we'll take a look at the growth plan and how we can complete a 360-degree screening on our business. Until then, this is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and I'll see you soon.